ALU,
Yes.
CU control unit,
Okay.
registers,
ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, memory unit, or registers. Memory unit का other name is registers. We can use the memory unit, registers, or we can have control unit or ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, name any two spreadsheet software.
Google Docs,
MS
or
Excel.
MS Excel, Google Sheets.
Okay, Pranay, Google Sheets is there. ठीक है, Excel is
मैम ये
there.
प्रणय की आवाज तो नहीं है।
प्रणय की
Yes,
मैम
Laksh.
आवाज नहीं है उसकी।
सिस्टर है।
मैम ये प्रणय की आवाज नहीं हो सकती।
हाँ जी, सिस्टर की आवाज आ रही है उसकी। मुझे सिस्टर को भी आंसर्स पता है।
Okay. Okay. It is Lotus 1, 2, 3. Excel.
ओपन ऑफिस कैल्क।
Open Office. Open Office
Lotus.
Calci. Open Office Calci.
Google
ठीक है.
Docs.
Quattro Pro. Google Docs नहीं है बेटा. Google Sheets है. वहाँ पे मैंने पहले भी correction कराई थी. It's Google Sheets. Google Docs
Yes.
is for documents. Google Sheets is the spreadsheet software. Online जो आप use कर सकते हो. Okay, find the autumn out. Scanner, touch screen, printer, mouse.
प्रिंटर
Printer. Why?
Because it's
because
output device.
output device.
Because it is an output device and other three are input devices. Okay. Next, Arzu. One student will give answer now. Printer, monitor, speaker, microphone.
Microphone. Because microphone input device.
Because
And-
microphone is an input device and other three are output devices.
Output.
Okay. Laksharath, give two examples of non-impact printers.
मैम नॉन इम्पैक्ट लेजर प्रिंटर, इंकजेट प्रिंटर।
Okay, laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer. Okay, two examples of impact printer. Laksh,
And dot matrix printer or line printer.
dot matrix printer, line printer, chain printer, drum printer, ball printer. Many printers are there which can be the examples of impact printer. Drum printer,
Ma'am?
chain printer, line printer, dot matrix printer, and ball printer. Yes.
मैम डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर कैन बी।
Can कौन सा?
मैम डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर।
Daisy wheel is also there. Yes, daisy wheel printer. Yes. Okay, now arrange the following storage devices in ascending order in terms of their storage capacity. Ascending order. ये ध्यान रखना है कि ऊपर order कौन सा है क्वेश्चन में, ascending है या descending है. Ascending order. Okay. Jasleen और मितांश. Ascending order में arrange करना है hard disk, floppy disk, DVD and CD. Yes, मितांश?
First floppy disk,
Correct.
second DVD,
Second MPD.
Second is
CD,
CD.
okay,
then
CD,
DVD,
CD.
and hard disk.
then DVD,
DVD फिर hard.
hard disk. ठीक है, floppy disk, CD, DVD, hard disk. Floppy disk least storage capacity 1.44 MB, CD 700 MB, DVD 4.1 GB, and hard disk up to 2 TB or much more than that. Okay, floppy disk, CD, DVD, and hard disk. Okay, name the suitable device for the following. Kanika wants to listen songs. Which device she should use? Yes, Ikjot. Which device she should use to listen to the songs? Yes, Nitya, Parmeet. Unmute yourself and give answers.
Headphone or speaker.
Correct. Headphone or speaker. Correct. Fast processing of checks.
Speaker.
Fast processing of checks. Speaker, how?
MICR.
MICR. Magnetic ink character reader. MICR. Magnetic ink character reader. Okay, checking aptitude test or examination patterns.
OMR,
OCR.
OMR, optical mark reader. Why OCR? Who said OCR?
Ma'am.
Optical character reader. नहीं होगा बेटा. Optical character reader will read the characters from a sheet and convert it into text. But OMR, that is used for checking the answer sheets of the various test examination patterns, multiple choice questions. So it is OMR, optical mark reader. A clerk wants to print 500 letters quickly. Which device should he use?
Laser printer.
Huh?
Printer.
प्रिंटर. लेटर्स है, कोई ग्राफिक्स नहीं है ज्यादा, कोई आपके पास वो पोस्टर्स नहीं है, या कोई डिजाइन्स नहीं है, आर्किटेक्चर के डिजाइन नहीं है, या इंजीनियरिंग मशीन्स के डिजाइन नहीं है. दिस इज सिंपल लेटर्स. तो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी विल यूज प्रिंटर. ओके. Okay, name one specific software or tool for each of the following category. Any one software for antivirus.
Norton.
K7 security.
K7 security, Norton, correct है. McAfee, encryption tool.
And
BitLocker.
point
7-zip.
7-zip.
last
Last pass आपके पास है. और कौन कौन से हैं? You can write any one.
endpoint encryption.
Okay.
7-zip.
Encryption,
7-zip.
7-zip, BitLocker,
BitLocker.
ठीक है. Many devices are there. BitLocker, 7-zip, BitCrypt, LastPass, endpoint encryption system. Semantic endpoint encryption है. Semantic endpoint encryption. Okay. Then operating system. Many operating systems are there.
Windows.
Windows,
Linux.
Android,
Linux.
iOS,
Line.
Unix, Linux, iOS. Okay,
DOS.
DOS.
Boss.
Okay, language translator,
Interpreter.
interpreter, or
Compiler.
compiler.
Assembler. C++.
Assembler. Okay, interpreter, compiler, or assembler. Social networking apps. Many.
Million.
Instagram.
YouTube.
Facebook.
मैम ये एग्जांपल से
YouTube
कैसे
is
होंगे?
not a social
WhatsApp,
networking. Instagram is there.
Facebook.
Facebook is
Facebook.
there. Twitter is there.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Okay. Social networking. WhatsApp में you can have the chatting and video calling, etc. You can't,
Yes.
Blogging.
like in Twitter, you post the messages for the society and for
I'm
the
blogger.
people around you, right?
I'm
Okay.
blogger.
Huh?
Blogger.
Blogger. Okay. For blogs. Identify the correct application software. कौन सा रह गया? Entertainment apps. Okay. Entertainment apps.
Netflix.
Netflix.
Spotify.
Anyone, anything. You can have so many. Amazon Prime, Netflix. You have
YouTube.
so many. YouTube. ठीक है. Many gaming. Many आपके पास music apps are there. Gaana or any app. Entertainment apps. Okay. Identify the correct application software out of these. आपको इन्हीं में से choose करना है. नीचे जो कुछ आपको situations दी गई हैं, कुछ places दी गई हैं, वहाँ पे use करने के लिए. Restaurant, food, order counter.
Billing system.
Billing system, correct. Billing system. Daily employee presence and absence record monitoring.
Attendance system.
Attendance system.
Attendance system. Okay, correct. Computation of salary of workers.
Payroll system.
Payroll system.
Payroll system.
Okay. Managing records of purchase and issue of items in school.
Tool inventory control.
School inventory control. Okay, managing, booking of air tickets.
Reservation.
Reservation system. Okay, processing accounting transactions such as accounts payable,
Accounting management system.
accounting management system. Clear? Situations clear हैं? कैसे use करनी है सबने? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now in your books also, in your book back exercise also, there are many activities given. बहुत सारी activities दी हुई हैं. You have to solve those activities one by one. Okay, I'm going to start with your book. Open your books. आपके books में एक सबसे पहले दिया हुआ है last में page number. Okay, page number 60. Take out your page number 60. Below is a list of various types of application softwares which would be most suitable to use for each of the following tasks. Did you get this activity, everyone? Page number 60. First application software is database, desktop publishing, drawing, mail merging, modeling, spreadsheet, web design, word processing. Then after that, कुछ situations दी गई हैं. Which one of the following is suitable for the following tasks? First task is rotation of shapes. Which software will be used? Which application software will be used for the rotation of shapes? Options are given.
Drawing.
Drawing. Okay, correct. For rotation of shapes, we can use drawing software. Okay, typing in text for a novel.
Desktop publishing.
Word processor.
Word processor. Word processor. Okay, word processing software for typing in text only. Desktop publishing, publishing के लिए use होगा, but for simple typing we can use word processing. Using frames to position text and graphics on a page.
Web design.
Positioning text and graphics on a page using some frames.
Modeling.
Huh? No, not modeling.
Web design.
Desktop publishing where we will arrange the different text and graphics on a single page by arranging them in different forms, like you find in various pamphlets or in your magazines or in your books. You can find कि एक तरफ text आ रहा है, एक तरफ बाकी frame में, दूसरे frame में आपके पास images और graphics या pictures आ रही हैं. Desktop publishing where you can arrange the text as well as graphics on a page. For that purpose, we will use desktop publishing software, that is DTP softwares. Replication of cells. Cells किसमें होते हैं? Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet softwares. Correct. Carrying out a complex search on two or more criteria. Database. Correct. Database. A simple flight simulation.
Modeling.
There we will
Modeling.
use the modeling. Okay. Correct. Okay, a similar activity is given on page number 63. Last page number 63 में देखो. Again, below a list of various types of softwares are given. ठीक है, database, file management, spreadsheet, word processing, encryption and antivirus. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपके पास options दी हुई हैं 5 और नीचे आपके पास दिए हुए हैं 7. So maybe there will be double name आएगा कुछ activities के लिए. First of all, rotation of shapes.
Word. And because उसमें भी shapes होती हैं.
Yes, that is what I was going to say, because here drawing की कोई option नहीं दी हुई है drawing software के लिए, and in word processing software we can insert the shapes and we can manage them. We can rotate them, we can alter them, we can edit them in word processing also. So according to the options available, you will choose the best suitable answer. So for this purpose, we will use word processing. Typing text for a report.
Database.
Database. Typing
Data-
text only for a report.
File management.
No. Typing text. Text
Word.
कितना type होता है? Again word processing. मैंने पहले ही बोला यहाँ पे double answer हो सकता है कुछ options के लिए. So again
Ma'am,
word
लेकिन
processing.
मैम वो database में report है तो उसमें database नहीं आएगा.
यहाँ पे टाइपिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं टेक्स्ट की भी. डाटाबेस में जो रिपोर्ट जनरेट होती है वो डाटा जो अवेलेबल ऑलरेडी डाटा एंटर किया हुआ उसकी रिपोर्ट जनरेट करनी है. उसके लिए कोई टेक्स्ट नहीं टाइप कर रहे हैं, लेटर नहीं टाइप कर रहे हैं कि हाँ मैंने आज एक सर्वे किया, मैंने उसके बारे में रिपोर्ट लिखनी है, या मैंने आज कोई एक ट्रिप अटेंड करके आया, मैंने कहीं पे कोई विजिट करके आया, उसके बारे में रिपोर्ट लिखनी है. टाइपिंग टेक्स्ट वो डाटाबेस से नहीं होगी. दैट इज क्रिएटिंग रिपोर्ट्स बेस्ड ऑन द डाटा. डेटाबेस में जो रिपोर्ट जनरेट होती है वो ऑलरेडी डाटा जो डेटाबेस में एंटर हो चुका है उसके बेस पे होती है. क्रिएटिंग रिपोर्ट्स होगा, यहाँ पे टाइपिंग टेक्स्ट टाइप कर रहे हैं फॉर अ रिपोर्ट. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. Replication of cells,
Spreadsheet.
Spreadsheet.
spreadsheet. Carrying out complex calculations now. Carrying out complex
Spreadsheet.
calculations on 2 or more criteria.
database,
Spreadsheet.
It could be database as well as a spreadsheet. ये दोनों आ सकते हैं. Because calculations है, calculations spreadsheet में भी हो सकती हैं, calculations आपके database में भी हो सकती है. So it will be both. Carrying out complex calculation, पीछे जो पहले एक्टिविटी थी वहां पे था carrying searching criteria था. For that purpose complex search था. For that purpose database is okay. But for calculation we can use the spreadsheet as well as we can use the database. Both can be used. Okay, storing employees details.
File management.
No,
Database.
यहाँ database for sure. For storing the employees details, database management system, in which we store the details of each and every employee of an organization. Organizing files for faster search.
File management.
यहाँ फाइल मैनेजमेंट आएगा. ठीक है, फाइल मैनेजमेंट हमने पीछे भी पढ़ा. फाइल मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स, they are used to store the files, they are used to manage the files, organizing the files and searching them. So here organizing files for faster search, file management system. Storing employees details, database management system. Scanning and cleaning a computer for harmful files.
antivirus,
Antivirus, correct, antivirus. ठीक है. So rotation of shape or typing of text for reports, that is for word processing. Replication of cells, that is for Excel spreadsheet. Carrying out complex calculation, that could be with spreadsheet as well as for a database. Storing employees details, database. Organizing files, file management. And scanning and cleaning of a computer for harmful devices, for harmful files, antivirus. Okay. Again page number 61. ये एक्टिविटी आपने पहले भी करी है ऐसे वाली. Page number 61. Pacific Freighters is organizing a manual meet in which it wants to invite its current and prospective clients. Radhika, the secretary, searches for and select the names from companies.
Database.
Companies के किस में से search होगा? Database. Companies database. Okay, then she prepares budgeting report from the calculations done in a
spreadsheet,
Spreadsheet software.
नीचे सारे आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं.
तुमने नीचे जरूर देखना है, पहले ऊपर कर लो. After this, she prepares the letters to be sent to the clients using
Word.
word processing softwares. Okay, next one is, once done, she prepares a presentation for the final meet using
PPT software.
presentation softwares. Word processing हो गया for retyping the letters. She also finalized the design of the invite being designed in
DTP.
it could be DTP, desktop publishing, or it could be graphic software.
हम डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग होता क्या है वैसे?
बेटा डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग जो पब्लिशिंग होती है, जैसे मैगजीन्स पब्लिश होती है या आपकी बुक्स पब्लिश होती हैं, कॉमिक्स पब्लिश होते हैं. फॉर दैट पर्पस वी यूज द पब्लिशिंग सॉफ्टवेयर वेयर वी हैव टू मैनेज द टेक्स्ट एंड लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ग्राफिक आल्सो. ग्राफिक्स और टेक्स्ट दोनों मैनेज करने पड़ते हैं इकट्ठे. फॉर दैट पर्पस वी यूज द डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स.
ओके मैम.
Okay, question number 6. Page number 60 के last में देखो question number 6. Which of the following software do not belong to the category of application software? Because all these are the kind of various application kind of softwares. आपके पास questions हैं, जिस application based questions are these, तो आपको ये सारे करने हैं. Which of the following software do not belong to category of application software? आपको इनमें से ढूंढना है कि कौन सा application software नहीं है. Do not belong. Software that converts and stores related data in a table.
Yes.
It is an application or system?
Application.
Application. Software that helps organization performing budgets.
Application.
Yes, Laksh?
Application.
Yes, correct. It is
Hold on, hold on.
application. Software that converts data into computer readable form.
And that is a system software.
That is a system software because it is a kind of a language translator, language converter that will convert the data into the computer readable form. So that is the part of system software. It is not an application software. Software that makes the data available to printer.
It's a system.
System. System, because system, operating system manage the resources. Operating system manage the resources. So it is not an application software. So be careful. बहुत ध्यान से sentences को या question को पढ़ना है. Whether it is asking for yes or whether it is asking for no. Software that merge addresses and tags to create personalized letters.
Application.
Application. Software that converts a program into machine readable form and bring out the list of errors.
Software.
System software because it is a language translator compiler. Okay, so C, D and F are the answer. They are not application softwares. Okay, same page, question number 5. Which two of the following are tasks carried out by all operating system? आपको इस list में से find out करना है कि कौन से task operating system perform करता है. Data logging?
No, ma'am.
No. Managing system resources including memory?
This.
Managing system resources. System
Yes,
resources कौन manage करता है? Operating system. Correct. Producing graphs in a database?
No.
No. Repairing a damaged DVD?
मैम वो तो मैकेनिक करता है.
Transferring data to a printer?
मैम ये कर.
Yes, this is a system software. This is a task done by the operating system. Transferring data to a printer, receiving data from input, sending data to the CPU, taking the data from CPU, arithmetic and logic unit and sending it to the output devices. All this is the task performed by the operating system. So managing system resources and transferring data to a printer. These two are the tasks that are performed by operating system. Okay. Which one of the following is not a type of operating system? Page number 59. There are many examples given. You have to find out which one of the following is not an operating system. Yes, Mitansh, page number 59. Linux, BOS, OpenOffice, Leopard, and Windows. Which one is not an operating system?
Open.
OpenOffice.
OpenOffice, that is a package. Okay. Again, same question is given. 3 tick boxes to show the tasks that are carried out by operating system. Again, the task that has to be done by operating system. Manage data transfer to and from peripherals.
Ma'am, this.
Yes. Provides a mean of communication between application software and hardware.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Yes, it is a task done by the operating system. Allows pupils to access internet on a school network.
No, ma'am.
No. Helps to prevent theft of hardware such as mice.
No, ma'am.
No. Allocates
This is
memory
as
for
a what,
storing
ma'am?
programs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Detect virus.
No.
No, because that is a task of antivirus. So first, second, and fifth. These are the tasks they are carried out by the operating system. Okay. Similarly, आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है पेज नंबर 58 पे. List some of the tasks performed by operating system. You can read the tasks, you can learn the various tasks, you can make a list of various tasks that can be performed by operating system. These 5 tasks are given and few tasks जो हमने अपनी these application based questions में पढ़े हैं, आप उनमें से एक list बना सकते हो कि which tasks are performed by the operating system. Okay. Okay. Okay, come back to page number 57 quickly because time up ho gaya aapka. Okay, the program designed to govern the operating computer hardware system are called. Everyone, please. Vanshika, Ritika, Raghav, Ramanjeet. You can also give answer. Pranshi, I can't. It's not compulsory कि class में सिर्फ 2 या 3 students ने ही answer देने हैं. The programs designed to govern the computer hardware system. जो what we call those softwares that govern the hardware.
Operating system.
Operating system, or you can say general term पूछी गई है. It is a system software. Okay, system software is the computers programs that they are designed to govern the computer hardware. Okay, software designed for specific applications such as pay calculation, processing of examination results are known as
Application.
softwares. In computer
Application
terminology, a compiler means, which option is correct?
Ma'am, D part.
Read the full sentence. A program which translates high-level language program into machine language. That is the task of compiler. Okay, we will do these question answers tomorrow also because time is up. You are supposed to join the next class.